How to use TripMasters review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. TripMasters helps you find discounted flights and travel packages, but beginners often make costly mistakes. Here's how to use it properly. Most people get this wrong. They focus only on price. The surprising truth is that flight times, layovers, and airline policies matter. Booking the cheapest ticket without checking details can create long delays or extra costs. Another common mistake is ignoring flexible dates. TripMasters allows date adjustments to find cheaper fares. Not experimenting with dates can miss better deals. Many users also overlook baggage fees and add-ons. Low fares may exclude checked bags, seat selection, or insurance. Failing to calculate these can make a cheap ticket expensive. Neglecting to read cancellation or change policies is another trap. Flight restrictions can affect your plans and refunds. Always check policies before confirming. Finally, beginners sometimes skip loyalty programs or points redemption. Using frequent flyer miles or TripMasters rewards maximizes value. In conclusion, using TripMasters properly means checking flight details beyond price, using flexible dates, calculating fees, reviewing policies, and leveraging loyalty rewards. Avoiding these mistakes ensures smarter and more cost-effective travel bookings.